everyone, welcome to Code Hunger, and in this video we will see how we can integrate Razorpay payment gateway with Laravel. And I have to change this poster as well because I think this poster is showing Stripe here. Okay. So definitely this will be my mistake, and it's hardly took about, we have to like nearly 5 to 6 minutes to integrate this kind of payment gateway with the Laravel. So the first thing is definitely I have to create a new project here. So let's go to your command and type composer create project space Laravel / Laravel space Razorpay, and then we can type as learn. Okay, and I have to turn off my antivirus a bit, otherwise it will gives you SSL errors. Let's turn it for 1 hour. Okay, so right now it is installing. Okay. And I request you to please see the video till the end, because sometimes the blog and the video might be different, because definitely I will explain the code as well here. Okay, till you can do one thing, that you can collect your keys from the Razorpay dashboard. Just create an account and collect your key from the Razorpay dashboard. I have added in the image as well. Okay, so yeah, so now it is being installed. Now let's open it in VS Code. The one thing we need is our .env keys. Our keys. Okay. Just go to .env and paste it at the bottom. Okay, now the next part will be go to blog and create a controller, right? So we have to create a payment controller here. So for that part you have to run php artisan make controller payment controller. Perfect. So now our controller is being created. If you see here, the controller is present here. Now the next part is just copy it. I have to correct this one, right? So just copy it from that PHP symbol, copy it and paste it here. Okay, so let me explain this code a bit. So on the top, definitely we are picking our Razorpay API key and secret, which we have added in the .env file, right? And then we are calling the Razorpay API and creating one order here, and the amount being passed as passe, right? So here 5,000, sorry, here 50, here, so here 50,000 means 500. Okay, and then we will pass this order ID and the other thing in our view page. Okay, and here we will come when our payment being done. Okay, okay, so now let's go to the next part. Resources, views, payment, and then razorpay.pay.php, and here you have to copy and paste it like this. Okay, now the other thing will be routes. Just go to your routes, PHP, paste it here. Okay, the PHP symbol. Okay, perfect. Now remember one thing, whenever you adding the route, you have to need PHP artisan route cache. That's why I'm saying watch the video till end, because this thing I haven't added in my blog, but sure, after this video I will add those things, so don't worry about that. Now simply run this command here, and this is running. Go to your browser, and we have to visit the URL I have given here. Just visit this URL. Okay, so now you have seen that here it is showing amount 500. You have to click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, the Razorpay will be open in the test mode, right? Just I am choosing Veeam UPI, pass any ID here, 72, verify and pay. So definitely it will be a test mode, so definitely we don't have to confirm anything in our phone, but when you are doing in your live mode, then definitely you will receive one notification inside your app to approve, and then it will come here and the payment being verified, right? So in this function, in the bottom function, you can write your code that as per your application or whatever, that the payment being verified. And on the other side, if you need any help to integrate this same with your application or anything like where you are doing these things, right? So we are open to do that for you. And the one other thing, thank you so much for watching my video till the end, and definitely we will come again with some more great videos. Till then, bye bye.